Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Aura in Blox Fruits. To begin your journey, you must first reach level 300 within the game. Once you've achieved this milestone, make your way to the Frozen Village. There, you'll find the ability teacher, who holds the key to unlocking this powerful ability. Be prepared to spend 25,000 Bali to acquire Aura and significantly enhance your combat prowess. This is your first step. Once you've purchased Aura, you can equip it from your inventory or the Abilities menu. Activating Aura is simple. Just press the assigned key or button during battle. This powerful ability grants you a substantial advantage, offering both a damage reduction and a noticeable boost to your attack power. Mastering its activation will greatly improve your fighting effectiveness against various foes. To maximize Aura's potential, you must actively use it in combat. The more you fight with Aura activated, the more experience points it gains. Aura progresses through 5 distinct stages, with each stage significantly enhancing its benefits. As your Aura levels up, you'll notice a considerable increase in both your defensive capabilities and your offensive power, making you a formidable opponent. Aura is an indispensable ability, especially when facing stronger enemies and challenging bosses. Its defensive and offensive boosts are crucial for survival and victory. Furthermore, Aura provides a significant edge in player versus player combat, allowing you to outmaneuver and defeat opponents. Remember to combine Aura strategically with your other abilities to achieve the greatest possible impact in any battle scenario.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.